Welcome back to Daily Dose of Space, your place for the latest stories from across the universe. Today, we're revisiting one of the most fascinating visitors our solar system has seen in recent years, a traveler from another star. It's called 3I Atlas, and over the past few weeks, it's been doing something incredible. New images, new data, and brand new questions. So, what's happening now with this interstellar comet? Let's take a closer look. 3I Atlas first appeared in late 2024. At first, it was just a faint blur moving across the sky. Nothing unusual for comet hunters. But the moment its orbit was calculated, everything changed. It wasn't following a closed path around the sun like regular comets do. Instead, it was on a hyperbolic trajectory, a one-way ticket through our solar system. That meant one thing. This object came from somewhere else, from another solar system entirely. And that makes it one of only 3 confirmed interstellar visitors humanity has ever detected. For astronomers, it was like finding a message in a bottle, except the bottle had traveled light years through interstellar space before arriving at our cosmic shore. Now, fast forward to November 2025. 3I Atlas has just passed its closest point to the sun, what astronomers call perihelion. And since then, it's been changing fast. Images from the Virtual Telescope project in Italy show that the comet's tail has grown massive. What used to be a few 100,000 kilometers long now stretches over 1 million kilometers, nearly 3 times the distance from Earth to the Moon. That means something inside the comet is heating up, releasing jets of gas and dust as sunlight reaches its icy surface. It's the same process that makes all comets glow. But seeing it happen in an interstellar object gives scientists a rare chance to compare alien materials to our own solar system's comets. And this time, astronomers didn't just watch the comet, they listened to it. Using radio telescopes, researchers have detected faint emissions of hydroxyl, OH, a chemical that forms when ultraviolet light from the sun breaks apart water molecules. This was the first confirmed radio detection from 3I Atlas, and it's a big deal. For months, some speculated that this could be something else, an asteroid, a fragment, or even an artificial object, similar to how Oumuamua once sparked wild theories about alien probes. But this radio signal changed everything. It confirms that 3I Atlas is actively releasing water vapor, behaving just like a natural comet. No alien technology, no strange propulsion, just physics and sunlight. Yet, 3I Atlas isn't your average comet. Observers have noticed unusual structures, multiple tails, jets shooting out in different directions, and even what appears to be an anti-tail, a streak of dust pointing toward the sun rather than away from it. That's weird, but it's also fascinating. These features suggest the nucleus, the solid heart of the comet, might be spinning rapidly or even tumbling chaotically. As it rotates, sunlight hits different sides, causing jets to fire unpredictably. It's possible that before entering our solar system, 3I Atlas passed close to another star, where gravitational forces could have destabilized its spin. In short, this comet isn't just traveling, it's dancing. After spending several weeks behind the sun, where it couldn't be observed, 3I Atlas is back in view. It's now visible again in the morning sky, especially for observers in the northern hemisphere, and with it, new observation campaigns are underway. Teams are collecting light spectra to analyze what elements are in its coma. The glowing clouds surrounding the nucleus, water, carbon monoxide, and silicate dust seem to dominate. But there are signs of other compounds too, including some we haven't seen in typical solar system comets. That alone tells scientists a lot. It means that the place where 3I Atlas formed, possibly a star system very different from ours, had a unique mix of materials. And if that's true, It offers us a tiny but powerful glimpse into how other worlds might form. Comparisons to earlier interstellar visitors are inevitable. Oumuamua in 2017, strange and silent, with no tail but a mysterious acceleration. Then 2I in 2019, a classic comet from another star, shedding gas as it passed the sun. Now 3I Atlas seems to sit somewhere between them. It's clearly a comet, but its activity is more intense than expected. Its velocity and light curve suggest an object both familiar and foreign, one that blurs the line between typical comet and cosmic anomaly. Some models even propose that 3I Atlas could have formed in a binary star system, where gravitational chaos can easily eject icy bodies into interstellar space. If that's true, then this object carries not just the story of one world, but of two suns that shaped it before flinging it across the galaxy. As it drifts away from the sun, scientists are using every possible telescope to learn more. Spectrometers are measuring isotope ratios, like how much deuterium, heavy hydrogen, is mixed with regular hydrogen. That tiny difference can tell astronomers whether 3I Atlas formed around a sun-like star or something older and cooler. It's like running a cosmic DNA test, trying to trace the comet's birthplace billions of kilometers away. There's another reason why astronomers are excited. Every time we study one of these interstellar visitors, we're not just learning about a single object, we're learning how common such visitors might be. If 3I Atlas, Borisov, and Oumuamua are just the first few we've seen in a short period, it could mean our galaxy is filled with countless interstellar comets, quietly passing between the stars. That's a mind-bending idea, because it suggests that star systems don't evolve in isolation. They constantly exchange material. Icy bodies like 3I Atlas could carry the building blocks of life, water, organic molecules, and carbon compounds, from one system to another. In a way, they might be part of the mechanism that spreads chemistry, maybe even potential life, across the galaxy. So what's next for 3I Atlas? For now, astronomers will keep tracking it as it fades. In mid-November, it's expected to be at its brightest before slowly disappearing back into the depths of space. After that, it's gone. Forever. But the data it leaves behind will keep scientists busy for years, helping refine our understanding of how interstellar objects behave and how planetary systems connect. And that might be the most important part of its journey. Not just that it passed through, but that it reminded us how small and connected our solar system really is. When you think about it, every comet that visits us carries a story. But 3I Atlas carries a story from another world. It's a fragment of a distant system, frozen for eons, now melting under our sun. Each molecule escaping from its surface is a whisper from a faraway star, and a reminder that, in the grand scale of the universe, we're not alone in the dust and ice of creation.